Good morning everyone. In the last class video we have discussed about the investment, the meaning of investment, objectives of the investment, and also what will be the avenues or the investment alternatives will be there. To the continuation of the some of the concept of the first model, the meaning of investment. Today in this class we shall discuss about the some of the other topics covered under the first model. In that, first thing will be the investment management meaning. Investment management refers to the handling of financial assets and other investment, not only buying and selling them. The securities are going to be for making the earning of return in the future period. What are the sacrifices you are going to be done in this present period will be called as an investment. Such a investments are to be made it under the handling in the sense not only make it buy, not only make it sell. Between that, making earning of the profit in the future period at a higher level, how you are going to be making the investment activities, that is under this investment management process. The management includes the developing a short or long term strategy for acquiring and disposing of portfolio holdings. It can also include banking, budgeting, tax services, and duties. If there is a investment means not only make the buying of securities or the selling of the securities, in between that you need to come across that which type of the securities are to be make it purchase, whether it is a short term or the long term, and what are the strategies are to be considered for making that buying or selling of the securities. What is the portfolio you need to prepare, what are the return things are going to be considered, and what is the risk factor will be involved under the investment. These all the aspects about the managerial things will be considered under this investment, so that it is called as the investment management. The term most often refers to the managing the holding within an investment portfolio, and the trading is done to achieve the specific investment objective. The main investment objective is earning the higher rate of return, and having the lower rate of risk, the reducing of risk and earning the more and more returns under your investment activities is considered in this investment managerial aspects. Investment management is also known as a money management, portfolio management, or wealth management. In the other names also we can consider the investment management as like money management, portfolio management, or wealth management. As in particular, the investment management will be having its the meaning. The professional investment management aims to meet particular investment goals for the benefit of clients whose money they have the responsibility of overseeing. Here the investment management will be involved with the services like as the asset allocation, in which security your earning are to be high, in which security you are facing with the higher rate of risk, where there is average risk will be there. These all the things will be considered before going to make the conduct of your investment activities. Such a thing will be make the person to identify where there is a investment will be more benefited for the making conduct of investment activities. So that there is a investors are going to be considered in the two category, like as a individual investors are there, institutional investors are will be there. They all will be having their managerial aspects under the particular services, like asset allocation will be there. Either there is a need to make your investment activities in the equity or in the debenture or in the any other security. These all the managerial things are going to be prepared under this investment management. As particularly the aim of the investment management will be considered to get the more and more benefit by making conduct of your investment. So that will be done under the particular services, like as asset allocation will be there, financial statement analysis will be there, stock selection, monitoring of existing investment, and portfolio strategy and implementation. In what way your investments are going to be bringing the more and more benefit, that will be made it performed under the particular rendering of the services. Those all the services we can be for considered under these all the points. before going to make conduct of the investment activities, there is a need to perform the some of the managerial things, like as a you need to prepare the plan which investment will be bringing the higher returns, or which is the security is having the higher rate of risk. These returns and the risk factor can be find out with conducting of some of the analysis, like as a financial statement analysis will be done, or there is a what is the stock selection, in which stock there is a the things are going to be making much more benefit for the investor. So through that analysis only you can identify which stock can be selected for making the investment. When there is a only buying of securities will be done, that is not the end. You need to make the monitoring, because the securities are going to be earning the returns as in a very differentiated manner, and also the rate of risk on the particular securities will be going on change. These all the things are going to be made it monitor, and then only your investment activities are going to be having the much more beneficial aspects. And even then making investment only in the one securities are not bringing the much more beneficial aspect. So that there is a in the new era there is a more importance will be given making the investment in the more than one kind of security, that will be known in the name of portfolio. Portfolio means making investment in the more than one kind of security. Mainly there is a making investment in the only one single company, single equity shares are much riskier. So that there is a making investment activities in the more number of or more kinds of securities will be going on, that we can find out under this portfolio. The strategy of portfolio will be bringing you having the more kind of security. More kind of security means in the one portfolio you will be having equity share and also the debentures will be there. The debentures will be bringing you the guaranteed rate of return, but the equity shares are to be having the more and more risk. When there is a company will be earning the profit, then only the returns will be available for the equity shareholder. So in such a way, considering of the rate of return and the risk, there is a construction of the portfolio will be done under the done by the investor. So such all the things are going to be involved under the investment management. As under this, investment management is also maybe includes with the financial planning and advisory services, not only overseeing a client portfolio but coordinating it with the other assets and the life goals will be done. The professional managers deals with the variety of different securities and the financial assets, including bonds, equities, commodities, and the real estate. The investment management will be making the arrangement of or allocation of the assets with having the higher level of the beneficial aspects for the investor. So in such a manner, there is a investment management will be the one where there is a financial preparation or the financial planning will be done, advisory aspects are going to be included, and also the client how he has to make the construction of portfolio, how he has to make the coordination with all the other assets. Those all the things are involved under the investment management. The manager may also manage the real assets such as precious metals, commodities, and the artwork. Even under the investment management, not only the financial asset, even though there is a some of the other precious metals are also considered as a real asset, which will be also having their term of investment activities. And even he can align that investment match retirement and the estate planning as well as the asset distribution. These all the things of managerial aspects will be done under the investment management. Already the investment alternatives or the investment avenues we have been discussed, but even though there is under the investment management, the alternatives of the investments are going to be classified into the specific manner as with consideration and the name of financial asset. They are called as a financial assets or the securities, which are classified mainly into the three category. One will be the primary securities, second one is the secondary securities, and the derivatives. So the primary securities mean the name itself will be called as the denoting its meaning as the direct securities will be there. The primary securities mean direct securities, so under which there is a borrowers are going to be directly borrowing the some of the money by issuing of some of the securities to the ultimate investor. So that type of the securities will be called as a primary security. It means the securities are issued directly by the ultimate borrower to the ultimate server, so or the investor. So who are going to be making their investment activities, and the who are going to be having the usage of such an investment activities, so they all will be having their direct communication. So that type of the securities will be called as a primary security. So for example, there is a equity shares will be there, preference share, the buying of equity share, preference share, or the debenture or the bonds under the company, so they all will be considered as in the name of primary security. If you are making your investment activities in the any equity shares of the particular company, then you are the investor and the company will be considered as a borrower. So that will be the one type of the securities which are going to be directly issued by the borrower, and there is a directly received by the investor. Such will be the financial asset classified in the name of primary securities. Then the second one will be, the second classification is secondary securities. Secondary securities will be the one where there is a, which are not issued directly by the ultimate borrower. Here there is a some mediators are going to be, or the some financial intermediaries are going to be used for making conduct of investment activities. The investors are going to be making their investment activities through the intermediaries. So that type of the securities will be known in the name of secondary securities. Here the securities are to be issued by the some of the financial intermediaries to the ultimate savers, so or the investors, like as a insurance policy. For example, for the secondary securities we can give the example like as a insurance companies. The insurance companies, here they are going to be receiving the small savings from the investor. So then there is a insurance company is not a issuer, so the government is going to be making the handling of all these things. So as like insurance company is acting as a financial intermediary between the government and the investor, so that will be known in the name of indirect securities, which are classified into the secondary securities. Even not only the insurance companies or the insurance policy, unit of mutual fund will be there, bank deposits will be there, they all will be considered under the category of secondary security. In the sense, if you are making your investment activities in the insurance company, here there is a insurance company will be treated as a financial intermediary. So your investments are not received by the borrower in the direct manner. Financial intermediaries are used as a mediation for making conduct of investment activities. So such a type of the financial assets classification is known as a secondary securities. Even you are going to be making the deposit in the banking institution, the banking companies are going to be considered as a financial intermediaries, and the investor keeping the deposits under the bank, there is a borrower are there who are going to be not having their directly issue of all the securities. Then the third classification is derivatives. Derivatives are the financial instrument whose value is derived from the value of an underlying financial instrument, such as treasury bills, bonds, or the note, or the individual equity will be there, or the financial derivatives which are going to be includes mainly with the instrument like as a forward, futures, and the operations, or the swaps, warrants, and the mix of all these will be there. The important financial assets which are considered under the derivatives will be as a, such as shares, debentures, and the hybrid securities. Here the derivatives are considered as a other classification of the financial asset. As in the how the technology has been built up, there is a financial assets are going to be having there some of the renovation. In related with that, there is a derivatives will be considered as a the financial instrument which are derived from the value of an underlying financial instrument. So there is a no directly in first one particular instruments are considered for making your investment activities. It is a instrument where there is a the another underlying asset instruments values are going to be derived. So it means, for example, there is already some of the securities or the some of the debentures will be there. On those all the securities, again there is a some other financial instruments are going to be prepared, that will be called in the name of derivative. So for example, if you are going to be having the purchasing of any dollar will be there, so the dollar will be considered as a one type of the investment security. So when there is a purchase of dollar will be done, because for making such a purchase of security, you are going to be come across with the one of the agreement. So then the making agreement about the having the exchange of dollar will be considered in the name of derivative. So in the same way, the derivatives are going to be even having their underlying assets, like as a treasury bills will be used, bonds will be used, and the equity shares or the debentures or the there is a hybrid securities are also going to be used. In detail, as a subject, one subject you will be studying of about the derivatives in your third semester. Then the other concept is investment process. How the investment process are going to be performed. The investor is going to be conducting his investment activities with a particular performance of the function, or with the step by step he is considering how to make the conduct of investment activities, that will be discussed in the name of investment process. The first process of the investment will be investment policy, the second one investment analysis, valuation of securities, the portfolio construction. The first process of the investment is, as being an investor, he is going to be determining and making involvement in related with the personal financial affairs and the objectives before making the investment. If you are an investor, before going to make the determination in which you would like to make your investment activity, personally you will be come across with the making preparation of policy, whether how much money is going to be there for making your conduct of investment activities, what are your financial affairs will be there, you will be having the income generation, and also you will be having the expenditure. Among all considering of these, how much money you would like to make conduct under this investment activities, you will be having your own objective with expecting what level of the returns or the what kind of the risk you are making your investment activities. These all the things you need to make it determination as in before manner. As personally individual investors will be having different type of the nature. So if there is a one person who is rich, he is going to be always expecting the higher return, for that he is ready to make the investment activities even though there is a higher risk will be there. But the people who are earning the middle income, so middle or average income earners will be there, they are expecting higher return with having the average or the lower level of risk. If there is a poor person will be there, he is expecting the return without having the any risk. Such a type of the different financial personal affairs are going to be there with the people, and they are having their own objective. Earning of the returns and having the reduced risk is not the objective of all the investor. It will be considered as in a differentiated manner from the one investor to the another investor. Those all the things are to be considered, then only you can have the preparation of your investment policy, how much you need to make investment and what considered objectives are there under the making investment activities. And it may be also called preparation of investment of the policy. So there is a need to prepare how much you need to make the investment, means you can be having your preparation of your own policy, whether it should be done in a regular manner or there is a investment will be done in a once. So these all the investment preparation policies are going to be done under this process. The investor has to see that should be able to create an emergency fund on an element of liquidity and the quick convertibility of the security into cash. When the investor making investment activities, he is not considering only the return or the risk, he should also consider the some other aspects of the investment, whether your invested money is converting immediately into the cash, or there is a higher lower level of the liquidity will be there in your investment. These all the things are considered before going to making your investment activities. What is the level of convertibility will be there in the securities in which you would like to make your investment activities, whether it can be easily converted into the cash or it will be taking time. this will be considered as the other process involved under the investment policy. For example, if you are making your investment activities under the real estate or under the any building, if you are making investment, it cannot be converted easily into the cash. But if you are making your investment activities in the securities, equity share, so equity shares can be easily converted into the cash in the market. In the stock market, you can make it sell whenever you are not needed of such a investment. So that will be the liquid, the quick convertibility of security can be find out under the equity share rather than the real estates. So such things are going to be considered by the investor before going to make their investment activities. And even then, there is a need to consider appropriate for identifying investment assets and considering the various features of investment. The what are the features are involved under a particular investment is also needed to consider before going to make the investment. You need to consider what are the policies are going to be there, what are the investment assets will be there, and what is the considering various features are involved under the investment. So for example, if you are making investment in the equity share, what are the features under the equity share you need to consider. If you are making your investments in the bonds or the treasury bills or the debenture, each and every instruments of the investment is having their own features. So those all the features you need to consider before going to make your investment activities. So because for example, if you are making your investment activities in the equity share, the equity shares are brings you as the ownership feature for the investor, but the returns will be available on the equity share only when the company is earning the profit. But if you are going to make the investment without knowing of these feature, if the company comes under loss, you will be losing your investment. So that you need to come across with the features of all the investment assets. So with that consideration only, you can identify which investment is going to be suitable for your making investment activities. So that will be the things are considered for making investment activities. As before that, you can predetermine as with having the particular identification, with having the particular policy for conducting of your investment activities. So this is the one process of the investment. Then the second one will be that investment analysis. So mainly there is a investment activities are not come across with the making it investment in the blind manner. The buying and selling of securities are not only considered in the way of investment, it should be made it considered with the analytical manner. You need to verify how there is a investments are going to be having their the trading of with the rate of return and the risk. When an individual has made the arrangement of a logical order of the types of investment that will be he requires on its portfolio, the next step is to analyze the securities available for the investment. Which are the securities are available in the available for the investment? By considering of all those securities, you need to find out where there is a the things of analysis will be bringing you higher rate of beneficial aspects. With the analysis only, you can be come across with the in which investment you will be having the higher level of the benefits or the returns. He must make a comparative analysis of the type of industry, kind of security, and the fixed or the variable security. So investments are to be available in the many of the different companies or in the different industry, and also in the very much different kinds will be there. Either the some investments will be bringing you fixed rate of return, and the some are giving you as a variable returns will be there. With considering of all these analysis, you can determine which investment is going to be considered for your investment activities. Here there is a even under the investment analysis, there are so many different analysis will be conducted, as like there is a fundamental analysis and the technical analysis are to be considered for making your investment activities. Fundamentally, in which kind of security you are making your investment, and that kind of security where in which company it is going to be there, or the company which is going to be issuing of such kind of security, what are the feature of kind of security, these all the analysis will be done. And under the technical analysis, you should come across with that what is the rate of return will be there, what is the rate of risk will be involved, what will be the beneficial aspects are bringing for you under the investment activity. Those all the analysis will be conducted by the investment analysis. The primary concern at this stage would be to be form beliefs regarding the future behavior or the prices and the stocks, the expected returns and the associated risk. These all the things are to be involved under the conduct of fundamental and the technical analysis. Investment means you are expecting with the rate of return in the future period. So the future is uncertain, but even though you can have the some of the prediction about that, when there is a some of the analysis will be conducted. What is the price of your investment will be there in the future period? What is the behavior of your securities will be there in the future period? What is the expected rate of return can be arising from your investment? These all the associated things along with the returns and the risk has to be made it concerned under the analysis. So that will be the second, the process of the investment. Then the third process will be the valuation of security. So in the third process, the important consideration will be there done with the valuation of investment. As the buying of security is not done as like a buying of some of the any commodities for the consumption. It will be considered as with the value. In general, we can be present worth of the owner in the future, how it can be made it enhancement. So for that, having the more beneficial aspects in the future period, how the investors are going to be made it considered with the sum of the valuation is more important. The investor has to bear in mind the value of these investment, what will be there in present, what can be there in the future period. An appropriate set of weights have to be applied with the use of some of the forecasted benefits and to make the estimation about the investment activities, about the investments. The value of investment, how it can be done in this present period, how it can be having it higher rate of return in the future period, those will be having the some of the technological some of the conduct of valuation. So the comparison of the value with the current market price and the assets are going to be followed, or assets are going to be allowed for making determination of relative attractiveness of the assets in the future period. The each assets must be valued on its individual merit. Finally the portfolio should be constructed. When you are going to be having your investment activity, all each and every kind of securities are to be having their own value in the present period, and also in the future period their earning or the benefits are going to be find out. With the valuation, technological analysis will be done. There are so many different kinds of the different types of the valuations are going to be implied. By that valuation you can find out how there is a the benefit or the values are to be enhanced on your investment or on your investment assets. Through that you can make the some of the investment which are going to be under the construction of portfolio. So that valuation of securities are to be making the more and more beneficial aspects for the owners in the future period. If you have not been done with any valuation nothing but appropriate weight of the securities for the future period will be considered. For example, if you are going to be making investment activities in the any of the Tata company shares, meanwhile as current period what is the value of your investment in the Tata company is there, how it can be having its enhancement in the future period with the same company, same shares. So that will be needed to make it value, because there is some values will be there which will be brings you the future worth of or future weight of investment. So that valuations are going to be done under your investment securities. So that is a third process in the investment. Then the last process will be the portfolio construction. As discussed earlier, under features of an investment program, portfolio construction requires knowledge of the different aspects of the security. Portfolio means making investment activities in the more than one kind of security. Here there is a investors are needed to have the knowledge about that, how there is a combination or kinds of securities are to be made it mixed up, or making the combination of different kinds of securities will be needed of the particular type of the knowledge. So with those knowledge you can be having the portfolio construction without having your investment activities with the higher risky manner. So for example, if you are making your investment activities all the money under the equity share, might be company comes across with the loss, means you will not be earning the any profit. But the what will be the amount of investment will be there, if you are making investment in the some amount in the equity, some amount in the any debentures, means you can be having the guaranteed rate of return under the debenture, and there is a the risk will be having its reduction. So in such a manner, there is a portfolio construction to be considered as the briefly capsulated with the consisting of safety and the growth of principal, liquidity of assets after taking into the account the stage involving investment timing, selection of investment, allocation of savings to different investment, and also feedback of a portfolio as given in. With the portfolio construction, you can determine with the diversification level. The consideration of such a diversification will be making you earning of the returns and also reducing of your risk. The consideration of the investment timing, when you have to make your investment, when there is a earning will be higher, and when there is a risk will be higher. These all the things are going to be considered under the portfolio construction. Through that, you can be having your selection process in related with the investment asset, which kind of which company shares are going to be made it selected for making the investment activities, will be bringing you one construction of portfolio. Nothing but you will be having your investment in the many kinds of securities, that will be known as in the name of portfolio construction. Allocation of investable wealth to the investment assets will be done under this, the last process of the investment, that is known in the name of portfolio construction. So these are the some of the main process or the steps which are going to be conducted by the investor to make their investment activities. Thank you.